What if economic and financial markets could save the planet? Bankers, investment funds and financiers are taking an interest in the environmental crisis. They say that they can protect the planet their way, with money. How much is the beach that you visit every year actually worth? How much for the forest that you love to walk in so much? What is the value of a plant, a mammal, an insect? Does this combination seem at all unnatural to you? Endangered species and forests are treated like financial products. Can markets succeed where politics have so far failed? But at what risk? At what price?